Hi guys, welcome to Alex Goes Coconuts. So today I'm gonna do another cruise essential video. With Christmas around the corner, I thought it was the perfect time to show you some brand new items that I got myself for cruising. And if you're a big cruise lover like myself, these are all gonna be super practical gifts. So the first thing on my list is this Anker Nano charging station. Now I know some of the non-surge power strips are allowed on certain cruise lines, but more and more cruise lines are banning those too. So this is the perfect solution. This is basically a charging port where you can plug in a whole bunch of different devices and charge all your devices at once. This comes with this little block here and a little wire to plug it into the wall. This is a 130 watt fast charging station. It has 6 charging ports with 4 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports. It's super compact, and Anker makes some really good electronic products that don't break easily. All right, the next item on my list is this multi-charging wire. This is really great because if you don't want to carry 4 different wires for all your different devices, you can just bring this one charging wire. It has like different tips at the end, so you can charge different devices with it. So as you can see here, you have different ends that you can charge with. You have a USB-A and a USB-C underneath it. Here you got a micro charger and then a USB-C. So you can do either USB-C to USB-C or USB-A to USB-C. So you have a lot of different things that you can charge with this wire. So I think this is so practical and it takes no space in your suitcase. So it's the perfect thing to bring on a cruise. All right, the next thing on my list is another electronic device. This is a power bank. I really like this one because it has a bit of the same concept as that multi-wire. In the back, you have all different kinds of wires with different heads. As you can see, you have USB-C, the micro, the USB-A, and even the little Android plug here. So you have all 4 of these wires. And this is a 20 watt battery pack with fast charge, so it does charge your electronics in half the time. It does also have a plug here for a USB-A and a USB-C, so you can bring extra wires and charge multiple devices with it. All right, so the next item on my list is this tumbler with a straw and a flip lid. I highly suggest bringing a tumbler on your cruise. It comes with a straw and a little flip lid, which is really nice. So you can put like cold drinks or warm drinks in this. As you can see, it's insulated, which keeps the drinks nice and cold. I personally don't like the straws that they give you on the cruise lines. They're usually made of paper or sometimes they're made out of candy and they can get kind of soggy when you're drinking those. So I prefer pouring my drink into here. It stays nice and cold. I also like to drink a lot of water throughout the day, so I'll usually fill this cup before going back to my room, and I always have some cold water on me at all times. All right, the next thing that I found, I actually got these little drink carriers. So basically this fits into the little pocket here, and you can carry around your tumbler or your bottle. You can also carry it crossbody, and this is perfect for excursions or for sea days. So I bought one for myself and I bought one for my husband. So we really enjoyed walking around the cruise with these. It just keeps our hands free, so we're not having to hold our bottles or our drinks wherever we go on the cruise ship. All right, the next thing is for the beach. This is basically a sand remover. So it comes in this little waterproof pack like this. And this is basically a little pocket that helps remove any wet sand on your body after a beach day. As you can see, this is filled with a little powder. Basically, it's the same trick as using the baby powder to get off all the sand, except that this is in a little compartment like this, so it makes it a lot easier to carry, and it makes it a lot easier when you're spreading it across your body. I got this one with this cute little design, but it has tons of different designs, so you can choose any one that you like better. What's cool about the pouch too is it comes with this little hook here, so you can hook this onto your beach bag and always make sure that you can get all the sand off before you put your shoes back on. Speaking about the beach, a lot of people go on cruises and they get burnt, but if you do get burnt, I wanted to show you this after sun lotion from Burt's Bees. This is the absolute absolute best lotion. It not only soothes any kind of like burning sensation from that sunburn, but it also helps heal it a lot faster. This one contains aloe and coconut oil. It also contains linden flower, which is really great to calm the skin from irritation. And this spreads on so nice and smooth, and it's very refreshing. So you can even just use this as a after sun balm, and it replenishes your skin of that moisture and it prolongs your suntan. The next thing I wanted to show you is this little roll-up sun hat. I've already shown you this in a different video, but honestly, a sun hat is like super important to bring, especially when you're traveling on a cruise. And I really like this one. It rolls up really flat, so you can fit this in your suitcase, in your beach bag super easily. The main problem with hats I find when you're traveling abroad is that you either have to get a hat holder and keep it on the outside of your purse, but this one just fits into your suitcase or your beach bag. And this one is a wide brimmed hat. So as you can see, it protects my face and my shoulders really, really well. And what I like about it too is if you tie up your hair, there's a hole at the top here for your hair, so you don't have to untie your hair each time you want to wear your hat. I highly recommend it for anybody who likes to cruise or vacation down south. The next thing I want to show you are these little crossbody bags. These are so practical when you're cruising. I often find that I like to carry a few things on me around the cruise ship, or even when I go on an excursion and I don't want to bring like a full-blown purse. So this allows me to walk around the cruise ship and just have a few things in here, like my phone, my sunglasses, some sunscreen in here, and that way I always have access to it. So I really like this one with this gold buckle and these gold details. I think it looks really, really nice. You can wear it like this around your chest and walk around the cruise ship like that. It's just so practical when you're either sightseeing or if you're walking around the cruise ship and you want to have all your stuff in one place. All right, the next thing on my list is this cute little linen shirt here. I think a linen shirt you can never go wrong with, especially when you're on a cruise or you're going somewhere nice and tropical. It's lightweight and it's very breathable, so that if it's very hot, you won't sweat in this. What's fun about this too is you can dress it up at night, or you can just throw it over your bathing suit and go super casual during the day. So I highly recommend a little linen shirt like this. So the next item on my list is travel jewelry. Personally, when I go on a cruise, I don't like to bring my wedding band and my wedding ring because I often take it off, especially when I go on excursions. I don't like getting sand on it or salt water or whatever. And the same thing with the chlorine and all the pools. I just prefer leaving all that stuff at home. That way I don't lose it and I don't forget it on the cruise ship. So I got myself this little ring, as you can see, for a super inexpensive price. Look how pretty the ring is. So this is an oval shaped ring. It has little gems on the side of the band here. And this one I got in gold. And I also got myself this silver one with this little oval zirconium. It's very, very pretty. It's got a really nice shine to it and it looks like a real diamond. And I also got myself this little wedding band, as you can see. This one is very delicate, very pretty. And I got that one to wear in combination with the diamond ring. So you got the band on the side and then the little diamond ring. So I got myself these to wear to dinner, and I look put together, even though I didn't spend a big fortune for these rings. The next thing on my list are magnetic clips. All the walls on the cabin are magnetic. As you can see, it has a really nice and strong magnet on the back, and then it has like a little hook like this, so you can clip this onto the walls of your cabin, and that way you have lots of storage all over the place. It's great to like dry bathing suits, to hang your hats or your bags after a long day. So I highly recommend buying a little pack of 6 at least. I think that's enough so that you can have that extra storage on your next cruise. Okay guys, so those are all the things on my list. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other suggestions just to make that trip better. And I'd really appreciate if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It just helps me make more videos like this one. Thanks for watching guys. Happy travels. Bye.